Hello, Tracy Dalai. I think beautiful day, sunny day, and surround a lot of forest, really beautiful. And small cottage houses, really beautiful, very tidy, right?
Tidy, yeah.
Right, very beautiful. And that's the final destination. I think before reaching there, I believe our sort of life, maximum, generally speaking, 100 years. That period should utilize meaningful life. Meaningful life means happy oneself and also bring happiness to more people and create more happier, peaceful atmosphere. I think that is the meaning of meaningfulness. So therefore, wherever I go, I always share, two things. Share with others two things. Number one, we all, same human being, we all have every right to have successful life, happy life. And for that, usually people, particularly I think in the West, where the society is more affluent, usually people consider successful life means more prosperity, more money, more fame. That consider successful life. More material facility there. You feel, oh, now I have all the means to have successful life. If that is the case, then those individuals who have all the material facilities, money, or friend, or fame, power, then these people who already have these things, then these people should be 100% sort of happy. But that's not the case. Among my friends in Europe, here in America, and also in Japan, and India also, rich, but as a person, very unhappy. Sometimes lonely feeling, sometimes suspicion, doubt. Always this is something going on, something restless. So this clearly shows they are real, happy or calm mind, peaceful mind, not entirely depend on external material sort of facilities. Other hand, some people who have not these luxury things, but just minimum sort of minimum facility, only minimum facility, and among them, there are people who are really happy. I think very little worry. Even something happen, then they face, these difficulties more easily. So therefore, our hopes and trust for external means, if we too much, if our all hopes and expectation relying on material facility, then that's a mistake. We should not forget or neglect about our inner values. In other words, human compassion. That is the main thing of our inner value.